What's up, YouTube? And I am doing an unboxing video for all of these. And so the first thing I'm going to do is Star Strike, so let's get started. This one. Here's one. Cards and stickers I'll put over here. There's the character. I'm just going to make a mysterious pile of garbage. Okay, next is Anchors Away Gilgrunt. He does not want to come out. Okay. Here we go. Again, mysterious. I'll grab it. Anchors Away Gilgrunt. Not forget. Card. And stickers. Next, Heavy Duty Sprocket. Yay. There. Heavy Duty Sprocket. Again, let's not forget the stickers and cards. Mysterious pile of trash. Next, Riptide. Gosh. This seems like super glued. And here we have Riptide. Again, let's not forget the stickers and cards. So here's our mysterious pile of garbage. Not yet, but here's a little Swap Force character I picked up. Now let's move on to Superchargers with a racing pack. So it's actually pretty cool. It's a light. So you have a lot to this. You get a Astro Blast, Sunrunner, Sky Trophies, Epic New Sky Races, Battle Villains and Champion Tournaments, Defeat and Race as Villains, Challenge New Race Mode, and Race Against Your Friends. And there's this pack down here, which I already have. And again, those supercharged combos. So, try to get this open. Depends if I can get it open. Whoa. No idea what that just was. Yes. Yes, here it is. Basically, now it's just stickers. So, here I have the Sky Racing Pack, Sky Trophy, the Sunrunner, pretty cool vehicle, and Astro Blast. Oh my gosh, he is in there. Now I kind of have to be careful getting this guy out because, there you got him out. Because on a YouTube channel, he was stuck in there well enough that they broke the guy off the base, so I don't want to do that. But there's that one. Next, I have the Crit Crusher. Ugh. Okay, here I have the sticker. And now I get the Crit Crusher out. And there we go. These two, I have an extra Crit Crusher. I'm going to do an epic unboxing for this. I don't know what I'm going to do for that. This one's going to be another epic unboxing. I'm going to use super fast water to basically blast the box off. So yeah. Here's our next one. The Chaos Trophy. So, all of our packaging on the ground. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. Here we have Astro Blast. A pretty cool character, if I say so myself. Kind of like the dude. He's sort of like a cool space dude. We have the Sunrunner, a really cool light vehicle. Again, really like the design, really awesome. Ugh, my portal's trying to run away. Next, we have Sprocket. This is a Series 2 Sprocket, heavy duty Sprocket, but a cool character, really cool character. It's got a swap force. Here we have Riptide, a really cool swap force character. I like his design with kind of the really fishy. Also like his swordfish. Like a swordfish, they took a swordfish animal and made it into a sword. That was kind of funny. And then here you have Anchors Away Gilgrunt. His look kind of gives it away. He's got a giant anchor. Anchors away. Fear the fish. So, a really cool water skylander from Swap Force. Again, really fishy. Something smells fishy about him. Yeah, he smells like fish. Well, there's him. And we have Star Strike. He's a cool character. Actually, you have the Skylanders Imaginary Sensei Starcast. I don't have him with me currently. So here's Star Strike. You have the Sky Trophy. It has Wolfgang, but there's 4 different villains. There's Wolfgang, Chef Pepperjack, Hoodsicle, and Captain Cluck that you could defeat using these. Here we have next the Crypt Crusher, a really cool and undead vehicle for Fiesta. It's really cool, like what they do with the Mexican like imprintings on the bottom too and everything. Really neat. Kind of reminds me of the movie Coco. So yeah, and here we have the Chaos Trophy. Classic Chaos. Always has something tricky up his sleeve, or something funny instead. This is my custom-made portal, by the way. So yeah, there's Chaos. And here you have first unboxing. Now let's take a look at this some of the stickers. You have the Crypt Crusher sticker, Astro Blast sticker, which is also his card. Might do a DIY video to make a custom card with that. Sunrunner sticker. Here you have Riptide. I'm also giving the barcodes too. Here's your barcode. Riptide. Heavy Duty Sprocket. Anchors Away a Gilgrunt. And don't forget Star Strike. We have Riptide, Star Strike, Anchors Away a Gilgrunt. Wow, his name is written tiny because he has such a long name. The longest name I know for Skylanders is Birthday Bash Big Bubble Pop Fizz. Try saying that 5 times. That's Big Bash of Bubble. I already lost. I couldn't say it once. There's, yeah. You have all these stickers. So much stickers. Stickers. And I only have like 4 cards. Yeah. But if I add these to my other Skylanders card collection, it's more impressive. I think you have 50 cards from some of the newer ones I got. I have like 100 some Skylanders, but here's my first unboxing wave. And if you haven't seen my other video, I did epic unboxing for Star Strike. Unfortunately, one bad part is that I just noticed it when the video ended, but when I smashed the box with the Nerf gun, one of her hands had detached. So yeah, it kind of ruined the character. Well, it didn't detach fully, but broke the arm. I'm going to show you the box right now. Okay, and here's the aftermath. Now, the box was shattered. I couldn't get it to come off with a Nerf dart, but yeah, the box just shattered. And actually, when I put the 2 pieces back together, there's still 2 other pieces missing because you can still shove my fingers inside. See those 2 holes. This thing was kind of left perfectly. Might use this to display Star Strike, but yeah, this is the aftermath of that. So, here's our pile of garbage now. Hello, pile of garbage. Anyways, like the video, comment, share, subscribe, and have a great day. And stay tuned for the 2 epic unboxing. I think this one I might just like run the side of this over with like a van or something to kind of just like crush the side of the box, because it makes sense for the name Crypt Crusher. It's a land vehicle. Like just have a car run over this portion of the box here to kind of just crush this down and open the box. Not like this thing go wee out. But anyways, stay tuned for more. Anyways, have a great day.